In this lesson, we'll be talking about slope from the words. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to set up a ratio to confirm proportionality and find the constant of proportionality. So the constant of proportionality means we set up the ratios as a proportion, we cross multiply to confirm that they are proportional, and then we divide to find that constant of proportionality. So I have an example here of this graph. And I just took 2 points and said 60 miles in 2 hours, that's right here, and 120 miles in 4 hours. So first I have to answer the question, are they proportional? And then if they are, I'm just going to divide to find the constant of proportionality. So I cross multiply, and yes, they are proportional. And my constant of proportionality would be 30 miles per hour. Over here I have these boxes, and so I chose two. $2 for 40 pieces and $6 for 120 pieces. So I have to cross multiply to decide if they're proportional. And then I just divide $2 by 40 to get our constant proportionality. So yes, they are proportional, and it's 5 cents per piece. So words that represent slope, if you see anything that's cost per pound or miles per hour or gallons per minute, candy per box, anything like that, those are the words that mean slope. So if it costs $2.50, I have $2.50 for 5 apples. I divide and I determine that it's 50 cents per apple. Okay, that is our slope, that is our unit rate, that is our rate of change, 50 cents per apple. It's also our constant of proportionality. And we use that to answer the question, how much is 20 apples? Well, it would be $10. Some examples. On Tuesday, Mel filled his gas tank with 6 gallons of premium unleaded gas for a cost of $26.58. On Saturday, he filled the 18-gallon tank for $79.74. Set up a proportion to find the constant of proportionality. So I would set up my proportions, $26.58 for 6 gallons and $79.74 for 18 gallons. So I need to know, are these proportional? I'll cross multiply to find yes, they are proportional. So to find our constant proportionality, I just divide, and it's $4.43 per gallon. Another example, Jacob ran 10 miles in 80 minutes. On another day, he ran the same rate of 18 miles in 144 minutes. Find the proportion, set up a proportion to find the constant proportionality. So I find that he ran took him 80 minutes to run 10 miles and 144 minutes to run 18 miles. So I have to answer the question, are these proportional? To decide, I cross multiply and find that yes, they are proportional. So to find the constant of proportionality, I just divide 80 divided by 10, and I would find it's 8 minutes per mile. I'm just looking for the constant of proportionality here. So I have miles, 250 miles in 5 hours and 100 miles in 2 hours. It's telling me they're equal. So my constant of proportionality, I just have to divide, and I get to 50 miles per hour. In this one, it costs $21 for 3 shirts and $35 for 5 shirts. So my constant of proportionality is $7 per shirt. In this example, I have 50 students in 2 classes. I have 100 students in 4 classes. So my constant of proportionality is 25 students per class. So how do you find slope? The change in y over change in x. We just divide. How can you check to see if ratios are proportional? Cross multiply.